Welcome back, future medicos. Today, the NEET results are out, and probably you might have checked your All India rank by this time. Now, today we are going to look at, in terms of All India rank versus score, right? That's something that varies every year. So we are going to look at what was the comparison between the All India rank and the NEET score in 2020, and what is the performance in terms of All India rank versus NEET score in 2021. Is there a huge difference, right? Because if you look at last year, there was a huge difference from 2019. So now 2021, a lot of the experts were predicting that the cutoff is going to come down, the performance is going to come down, candidates are going to score very less, right? All these kind of information, all these kind of predictions were coming up, right? A lot of YouTubers, you might have seen that people might have told you that, oh, the exam is very difficult, so everyone is going to perform very below performance, right? Very, very below par, the performance is going to be. But is it the reality? What is actually the reality? Okay, let's see that. So first of all, to tell you that if you look at 720 out of 720, once again, many experts have predicted that there won't be any 720 out of 720. But there are 3 people with 720 out of 720, right? Last year, there were only 2 people with 720 out of 720. But this year, there are 3 candidates who are tied for the All India rank 1. Okay, one good thing NTA has done this year is they have removed that tiebreaker, and they have indicated that all the 3 candidates have rank number 1. Even though we understand that when you download the results card, the results card shows different ranks for those people, but for publication, they have shown all these candidates as equal rank. Now let us look at the comparison. I have taken these comparison based on the feedback given by the candidates. I'm not sure, there may be some small mistakes here. This is purely based by the mark and the rank shared by the candidates. Okay, I have not seen the actual values. I have just taken what they have shared. So the number 1 rank in 2021 and 2020 is the same. So no difference. However, if you look at, let's say, rank 17, in 2021, 715 marks has given a rank of 17. Whereas in 2020, if you have scored 710, that was sufficient. So in fact, 2021, you can see that the performance has gone up slightly higher. Okay, that means you need to score 5 marks more to get a rank 17. The same goes for rank 19. Okay, so you should score 5 marks higher. Okay, if you come, say, for example, rank 150, again, there is a 5 marks difference where the performance is higher in 2021. Let's look at, say, somewhere around 400 ranks. The performance is around 6 marks different. So you can see the top performance, right, almost like around, say, 2,500 or even until 3,500, last year was much better. The same mark, if you have scored last year, you might have got a better rank. But this year you are getting a lesser rank. So the competition at the top, that is the top 2,500, 3,000 ranks, the competition is much more fierce this year. However, the performance is slightly different, right? Generally, if you see, the trend will be the same throughout all the ranks. However, this time in the middle range, the performance has started slowly changing. Okay, if you look at from rank 3,500, we don't see much change. For example, rank 4,000, 650 marks last year and 650 marks this year is the same performance. And if you come down even around 5,000 rank, the mark is almost the same, 645, 645. And if you go down even further until even like 8,000, 632, 632, right? So almost until the top 3,000 ranks, the competition was very tough. 3,000 to 8,000, almost the performance is more or less the same compared to 2020 and 2021. And then if you look below 7,500, it becomes easier this year. Okay, you can see here say for example, almost ranked 10,000, you can see you can score 1 mark less this year and you still could get that rank of 10,000. And if you go even further, say around 20,000, you can see that there is a difference of 2 marks. And you go further, maybe around 30,000 rank, the difference is 4 marks. So the competition is going to be very tough at the top. So if you are in the top 2,500 ranks, maybe you may not get the exact same college as last year for the same rank. But if you come down in the middle range, probably you may get a better college for the same rank. But the difference is not so much, right? 4 to 5 marks, right? That's the maximum difference I could see. 4 to 5 marks or maybe 6 marks. And once again, if you look at again, the trend changes after around 1,25,000 ranks, right? Very, very funny kind of performance, but somewhere between 450 marks to say around 625 marks, probably the performance is slightly different. And then below 450 marks, then the performance again becomes different. That means candidates below 450 marks has performed much better this year. Okay, so the competition again is getting tougher below this, right? You can see here, as you come down to around 200 marks, the difference is almost like more than 10 marks is the difference. But what I would say is more or less use last year cutoff as a reference. It may not be too much different from last year. Particularly All India quota, if you are a general candidate, then probably the cutoff might go up slightly. Last year it was 611 marks. Probably it might go up slightly higher this year. But if you are belonging to OBC category or EWS category, the cutoff may come down slightly, assuming that the OBC category and EWS category goes through this year and there is no problem through Supreme Court in any of the cases, right? Assuming that, then the cutoff may slightly come down for OBC and EWS below 611 possibly. But for candidates, general candidates, probably the cutoff may be slightly more than 611 marks. That's what I believe might happen. But anyway, let us wait and see how the counseling goes. Right? I hope this gives you some idea about comparing 2020 and 2021. Okay. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.